Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T, and you are watching T Cooks with Flave. If it's your first time here, welcome to the food, welcome to the fun, welcome to the vibes. In Jamaica right now, if you watch T Timeline, you would have seen that I am traveling. I'm currently on vacation. So if you didn't watch that video, stop this video, go over to T Timeline, and you're going to see how I ended up here, pretty much in a nutshell. So right now we're in Port Antonio, Jamaica. It's my grandmother's 90th birthday, and I'm here with my family. Well, they're not here right now, they're elsewhere, but I'm gonna meet up with them. But before I do that, I'm heading to lunch. I'm heading to Norwich to meet up with Osheas Kitchen. Most of you might know him, might know who he is. He's doing his thing. He's in Portland, and I definitely wanted to support him. So Brianna, my friend Danielle, we're going there to have lunch, and then after that I'm gonna be meeting up with the family. Anyways, I'm taking you guys along with me. It's gonna be an amazing day. If it's your first time here, again, welcome, and make sure if you're not subscribed, stop and go ahead and subscribe. Unfortunately, Carl couldn't make this trip because he had work, so we're gonna have to check in with him later to see what he got going on in Florida, okay? So come with me, guys. We're gonna have an amazing day. Grab a popcorn. You're gonna spend the day with T Cooks today. Let's go. All right, so Bree's ready. Miss McLean is ready. Oh my God! Look at this. Yes, we're ready. O'Shea, we're on the way. I just wanted to let you know that if you're in Jamaica and you need a rent-a-car service, I got this car from Heyday Rentals. I did talk about it a little bit over on T Timeline, but I just wanted to let you guys know that rent-a-car services is available. They're very reliable. He actually picked me up at the airport. Highly recommend. They have a website that you can just go and do all the paperwork, everything there. It's easy, very easy. Again, I'm gonna leave their information in my description box below, so that way you guys have the information. It's affordable and reliable. Like I said, they picked me up at the airport. So Jermaine, big up yourself. He's actually a longtime friend of mine, so you don't know. He came through. Car clean and all of that. So I just wanted to highlight this one more time. So make sure I want to link him up. So we're driving through Port Antonio town. This is the Port Antonio police station right here. My grandmother's office used to be over here in this plaza upstairs. Every evening, me and stuff is tapeso. Right upstairs there, grandma used to work. Oh my goodness. Nothing really changed about the town. That's crazy. After so many years. Scotia Bank was right here. Is it still a bank? I don't see any sign. No. Wow. Pulling up to Osheas Kitchen. We are hungry and excited. All right, I'm just playing with it. Right here is good. No one black outside. Put it right at top? Yeah. All right. Guys, look at this. This is called a sour sop fish. Whoa. And what you have over there, sir? Parrot? Doctor, Mr. Parrot, Mr. Doctor.
And the one I want on the Python grouper.
Parrot, Doctor. Which one is the grouper? Oh, the bottom one. This one right here. Guys, you already know we're here at Osheas Kitchen. So the boss himself, yeah, man. The food ready yet? We're waiting. I tell them where this is located again.
In Portland,
and it was super easy to find. I thought it was gonna be harder for me to find. It was extremely easy for me to find. So guys, you can be here too, dining on the beach. And yeah, it's like basically a beach picnic. So I'm gonna leave his information in my description box below. You do date nights, you do not nights,
not night, but
lunches.
it's in the making to start.
It's in the making to start doing that. All right. So we're running into the kitchen to see how everything is being done and being prepared. Let's show you.
All those stuff there. Super good.
Me invading the kitchen now. Alright guys, so like I said, we came to Osheas Kitchen for lunch. So if you're in Port Antonio, or even if you're not in Port Antonio, it's worth the drive. So make sure that you come. It was extremely easy to find. Show them the view again of how nice it is here. And this is Osheas team, who was very accommodating today. I'm stuffed and I have what, maybe like 5 boxes to go. So you know, next time I'm not cook. Thanks for having us. We stopped off at the venue. I'm gonna check out to see how and the exact place we're gonna do the setup for the food. This place is called the Black and White House, I believe. Seaview Villa. Black and White. Guys, so we're visiting the venue of where Grandma's party is going to be. How beautiful is this? You remember about your mom? You don't come all day. What's up with that?
We're at the beach.
You had fun today?
Yeah.
Turn around. Where's your sister?
Come inside. Look what me and Chelsea found on the way to the beach.
Hi, Auntie Pinky. At Girl Summer? Yeah, at it out today again. Yeah, at it out today again. Yes. Yes, sir. Shovel. Yeah? What's going on? Oh my God, where did you find this puppy? You guys found him?
It's a her.
It's a girl?
Yeah.
Where did she come from?
Grandma stopped like at her friend's house.
Uh-huh. And she gave it to you guys?
No, she just picked the puppy up.
Oh my God. My auntie's in here baking. This is Auntie Tim. My pretty auntie.
Girl, like I said.
Go and get that. Alright guys, when I used to live with my grandmother, so for a part of my life I lived with my grandma. This used to be my room right here. This used to be my bed. This bathroom was not here. She added this bathroom later on. But this used to be my room. Oh my God. Need you guys to not play with my grandma. She have our curtain iron them. I need a blow dryer and she told me exactly where to find it. My grandmother is a hot girl. Hot one. See her with her white diamonds. Don't play with her. And our watch collection. So my grandmother's shoes. My granny at 90, okay? She's 90 years young. Can you tell that she loves bling bling? Watch all this. Hotness. This is where I get my fashion from. This used to be my teddy bear and she still has it. Oh my God. Literally just woke up from a nap. I'm gonna go by my grandma's house. My sister just got here. Brie already left. She called my cousin to come pick her up. So I'm getting ready. I'm gonna head over to grandma and then who knows, let's see what the night brings, right? I'm just happy to be here, happy to see my family, happy to see just all the other family that's not here yet. I'm just excited to celebrate with my grandma. She turned 90 yesterday and she looks amazing. She still has it all together up here. That's a blessing. So we have to celebrate that like heavily because there's so many persons that didn't make it, so many persons that are way younger than her that did not make it to see this, you know, age. So we're definitely going hard for her. And this is just a message to everyone who, if you still have your parents or grandparents in your life, celebrate them, you know, celebrate them because it's worth celebrating. All right, so I'm gonna go by the house now. Let's go. I'm going to surprise my, well, not surprised. I want to see my nephew. Oi! It would never be special yet. Hi, Mama. Who is this? Is this Zayden? You're here? You're really here? Can I get a kiss? Did he give away my kiss? Zayden said he's showing me around. What's this? The kitchen? Okay.
And this is a room.
Oh, this is a room? Okay. Okay, nice.
This is going to be my family.
And then what's up here?
Are those these some more rooms?
Some more rooms up here?
Yeah.
Oh,
And
wow.
a closet.
I didn't know that.
There's a closet.
Okay.
This is a room.
Uh-huh.
This is a room and that outside.
Oh, wow. Thank you, Zayden.
That's
Wow, you're so nice.
and
Yeah, how you get down?
You have to do this.
Okay.
Ooh,
But I can't do that because I'm too big for that.
try.
Try?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try.
No, that's not how you sit down. You have to sit down like this.
Like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, baby.
Yeah.
You're so nice.
And this is
Auntie loves you.
And this is living room.
Okay, thank you for the tour of the house.
Oh, you
No, don't open it up yet. I'll get it later. You brought me a toy?
Yeah.
Thank you. Guys, wanna remember my sister?
Hi.
She's here, so we're sampling cake. Warm. Oh, crumbs dropped down in my clothes. Put this in me.
My item, I can see. But it tastes so good. Daniel! So like, I remember that piece. It tastes good. Hold on, huh?
Oh my God.
Nice.
America.
Look at the camera there in front of me. I'll swear to you. We just started talking. Oh, sorry, Grandma. Jeez, I'm gonna forget. You see how we stay? I'm usually, I'm people fighting. Them young girl here don't learn. It says that they edges are tough when they never grow up. Mommy, you done it? That bad. Wow. No. Me have to lift up the camera and show them. This is why my name Tcooks. I love to bake, so when I get bakings, I have to take advantage. Auntie Tim, come here. The cake never have a knife, so.
No, sir. Everything out of bun.
How you put bun?
No, sir.
Everything I get chill. Yep. I'm sorry again. And I reach. I'm gonna stop it. Rich barrenness. Yeah.
My name is Jaden Rodriguez.
Oh, whoa, wait. Let's stop this so you can tell him. Tell him what your name is. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi YouTube. My name is Jaden Rodriguez.
And how old are you, Zayden?
I am 4 years old.
You're 4 years old?
Yeah, and it was my birthday, and then I got a big truck and
Look at me, look at me.
airplane.
You have to look at the camera when you're speaking, okay? And you got a big airplane?
Yeah,
You enjoyed your birthday?
yeah, and with little tiny cars,
Look over here.
yellow ones. and
Yellow
then-
ones?
Yeah,
Okay.
and a truck.
And what's my name?
Auntie Nisi.
You love your auntie? Okay. So where are you right now?
At Jamaica.
You're in where?
Jamaica.
Jamaica. You were on the plane today?
Yeah.
Did you meet any friends at the airport?
Yeah.
Okay. You're happy to be in Jamaica?
Yep.
I'm happy you're here. Say bye, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.
Say hi, Marley.
Hi.
That's my nephew, Marley. Thinks he's a grown man now. Don't want to come over here. You are. Ooh. Look in our tribe. Oh. Bro, there's a whole bunch of dogs. Is there a dog under the car?
Keep going. The dog is chasing us. He's ready. My dogs look like little warrior. So, yeah. Oh my god, bro. Look over. Bro, oh my god.
we're being stalked by a dog.
Bro, the dog.
3 dogs.
It's their.
Look,
Look, it's right there. Is there a dog under the car?
this is where we need to go, and we can't go in because this dog. I'm afraid.
You're great.
You're strong.
So I don't know what's going.
Like, we don't know what
dogs
just
are falling. Y'all going out first, cause I don't do dogs. I'm so confused. Okay, the man, yeah, they're not inviting the man. Yeah. But how are we gonna open the gate? Cause somebody has to go out to open the gate. Mommy, they're right there.
The dog them run. See them there?
And they're right there.
Oh, them not for the next year.
Right.
One gone down.
One of them foot sticking up.
Yeah, man, one gone down.
Guys, so we are. What time is it? It's 2 a.m.
After 2 in the morning.
And we are riding around because we can't go back into the house because there's crazy dogs following the car.
Like, okay, we call for backup.
Right, well, we call for backup.
No,
so
let me tell them the story of how it happened. So we're driving on this street, a one-way street.
a one-way road, and a whole bunch of dogs. They just
Started
start following the
chasing
car, like, and just barking, like they're not stopping.
So we're thinking we're gonna lose them because they're dogs. Hello, this is a car. The dogs chased
us all the way to the house.
All the way to the house.
And they just stopped in front of the house.
I just stopped in front of the house. So we basically are bombarded by dogs.
Because I'm scared they're going to try and bite us. So
we call my cousin, so he's going to meet us to try to get us.
And we'll see.
No, this is not safe.
Like, what? We have to send for help! Dion, I'm a cheer. Oh my goodness. Dion, I'm a cheer in case it's somebody dog them there.
Are you them after, man? Or the care?
This is weird.
I care, man.
Oh my god, I've never seen this.
Smell.
We are in safely. Guys, let me just really explain to you what just happened because Bree wasn't doing a good job. So we're on our way. We went to go, hang out, whatever. And we're on our way home. Everyone went their separate ways. And I'm on a one-way street about to come back here. And we saw some dogs in the road, of course. So like normal, a dog see a car coming, what they're gonna do is like come out of the road, right? Well, these dogs decided, one trying to block the car, the other 2 on the side and 1 behind my car. So basically the car is surrounded by dogs at this point. So I'm like, so Daniel was like, drive, because we don't know if this is a setup. What if somebody had trained them so that we slow down so something happened? I'm like, dang, you're right. So I sped up. The dog sped up too. The dog started to chase the car. Okay? So we kept driving. I kept driving and I'm like going really fast. So now I'm going up a hill trying to come to the house. And guess what? The dog never follow me. Full speed ahead. I went up the road, I turned, and the dog them that again. I had to call my cousin who was almost home so that way he could come and open the gate for us and let us in. And the dogs were still waiting. What is that about? Like, I have no clue what that was about. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out. I had so much fun today. I'm gonna bring you guys more videos between this channel and over at Tea Timeline. Thank you for rocking with me. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you'll see whenever I post, and I will catch up with you guys tomorrow. Bye.